Today we will see how to do an SEO audit of a website page or post. It is a very simple process, and only through this simple process the SEO status of a page or post can be understood. Only by only two clicks, you will know some important things about the SEO status of your page or post. Let's see what to do first. First of all, we need to install a Google Chrome extension called SEO Quack. Search by SEO Quack Google Chrome extension. Then add to Chrome it. After adding, click on this icon above and pin the extension. Now it's the time to check the SEO status of a website. I am entering a website triedandauthentic.com, or we can enter a page or a post to check. After entering a page or post, click the SEO Quack icon above. I told only by 2 clicks you can know the audit result. It was the first click. With the first click, you will find out how many pages of the website have been indexed on Google and how many pages have been indexed at Bing, etc. And the second click we will do on the diagnosis. Now we can see our expected audit results. We can see that this page is okay about 16 subjects. There are 2 errors and 4 warnings. We can see the URL, title and canonical text of this page are okay. There are less than 6 characters in meta description. This page has problems with heading, and text to HTML ratio is very low. This page has 1 H1 tag and 27 H2 tags. There is no H3, H4, H5 tag. Using each tag is very good for SEO. On the other hand, it would have been better if the text and HTML's ratio were above 15%. All images of this page have altered attribute. Let's see what happens when you add an alt text in the image. Kindly read a little bit about what the experts are saying about it. We suggest adding alt text to your images so that it's easier for search engines to index them. Please find out more details by searching Google. This page does not utilize microformats and schema.org. These two are also very important for SEO. The presentation of Google search results is always improving due to microformats, and using schema markup increases web page visibility to search engines and gains higher click-through rates. Twitter card AMP, these are not very important. Here we can see the information about robot.txt, XML sitemaps, Google Analytics, etc. All of them are very important. I have a video about what they work and how to set them. I have given the link to the description. You can see it. Thanks for watching.